What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Shampoo back with another video. And today's video is pretty much my beard mail video. I just got this in the mail today from the Ferocious Beard Co. Even says beard mail on there. It's pretty awesome. I spoke with the owner. He actually reached out to me on Instagram and he said, well, you know, Sean, I like your Instagram. Do you mind if I send some stuff out to you? I was like, sure. So he sent me out. I picked out the items that I wanted to try out and decided to do an unboxing or unpackaging of the Ferocious beard mail that I got. Ferocious beard mail stuff that I got. And I'm opening it up. Sean, don't cut yourself. And let's see, I ordered the Balm, which is, I believe it's a barbershop scent. Here's the Balm. Bubble wrap. You gotta love that bubble wrap. I love it. Bubble wrap. And the scent, I believe, is the old time barbershop scent. It'll say it on the back. And let's see what we got going. It smells kind of like baby powder. Not baby powder, but like powder, like the talcum powder. That actually smells pretty good. Yeah, I'm not bad, not bad. Not gonna really put it in my beard because I got so much stuff in my beard as it is. And I ordered, and a peppermint. Heck yes. Oh my God. That is awesome. Yes, sir, thank you. Lord knows I needed the peppermint. And the old time barbershop beard oil. And here's what the bottle looks like. It's got to do with the looking like a barber, and it's got the barber pole and stuff in there. Label looks pretty cool. Why is it so hard for me to open it? What the heck? I'm not opening it. Okay, come on, Sean. Use your forearms. Come on, get it together. And you can see it's got kind of a clear yellow, little bit of a yellow tint to it, not much. A little super clear. That smells pretty good. I mean, yeah, that has that barbershop smell to it. It has like it has like that talcum powder they use after they finish cutting your hair or doing whatever they're doing to you. But and I also ordered their pine tar soap. And I think he gave me something else in here too. I'll have to, I got the stuff. He actually gave me 2 bars. Lavender and Atlas. Actually, he gave me 2 bars. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. That does not smell like no pine tar soap. That smells like pretty damn good. Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah. It's awesome. That's the same scent. He just broke it in half. Like that's the full bar, I believe. It look like I'm trying to play puzzle right now. Yeah, that smells good. That does not smell like pine tar soap. Woo! Yes. Using that tonight. And what else is in the bag? What else is in the bag? 2 stickers. Okay, putting this on the laptop. Ferocious Beard Cord, the Ferocious Beard Company, the mini sticker and the big sticker, both going on the laptop tonight. And what else do I have in here? And sent me a letter. Nate Powell's the owner, if y'all wonder who's the owner of the company. And here's the letter that he sent to me, talking about the company pretty much. And little letter. Thanks, Sean, for your order. Appreciate it. Let me know what you think of those items, Nate. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, Nate, it's pretty dang gone good because it smells awesome. And I can't wait till I do an actual review. This is just an unpackaging. And this is the beard mail I got today from the Ferocious Beard Company. Check them out on Instagram, Ferocious Beard Co. It'll pop up. Here's their logo. It's like looks like a lion that's pissed off. I don't think it's pissed off, it's just frowning. But And you can see like the little claws on the side. And he also has a website, ferociousbeardco.com, and I believe Facebook, Ferocious Beard Code. Look him up on Facebook as well. But I'm liking this. This is awesome. Thank you, Nate, for sending this stuff out to me. I will do a review as soon as possible, but I really appreciate you sending this stuff out to me. You're awesome. Yeah, the stuff smells phenomenal. I can't wait till I do a review. But thank you, Nate. And thank y'all for taking the time to watch this video. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.